You can make these fun to eat mini s'mores for Halloween treat bags or for any party, especially birthdays. I made these for a retirement home birthday party where they were celebrating 12 people's birthdays. So I made a tag that says cheers to a happy birthday and then some more. So I put the mini s'mores in little cocktail cups and they are so good. You can copy my designs for the birthday tags and the Halloween tags from my website, YouGottaMakeThis.net, but I have the link below. So you want graham crackers, and I love these that are already in squares, and jumbo marshmallows, a bag of chocolate chips, and although optional, a tablespoon of solid, not liquid coconut oil to make them glossy and harden. It's even better to use pre-tempered chocolate. I have the Amazon links for these below. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. I also have the links for the cups in the bags below. Then to tie on the tags, I use curling ribbon, which I usually have with my Christmas gift wrap, but I grabbed this one out of the box that I had just used to make a balloon arch. If you want to see the important things to do and not to do, I'll be glad to post that. Okay, so to make these little bite-sized s'mores, position your graham cracker squares in a microwave-safe casserole so that they're not touching each other. Top each with one marshmallow in the center, and if you make sure that they're flat on the bottom, then they won't fall over in the microwave. Then microwave for 30 seconds or 25 seconds, depending on your microwave. Okay, this is actually fun. Top the squares with the other graham crackers and press down until the marshmallow shows around the edges. Try to keep the s'mores marshmallow from touching the other ones. And then refrigerate. When all of them are done, pour a bag of chocolate chips in a microwave-safe measuring cup. The handle helps because the chocolate's going to get hot. Microwave for 1 minute, then stir just to get the melted part incorporated, then microwave a second minute and stir well. The chocolate should be smooth and flow well. Then add 1 tablespoon of solid, not liquid coconut oil. 2 tablespoons is good as well. Then stir until silky smooth. Place your refrigerated marshmallow-filled graham crackers on a wire rack and using a spoon, coat the top of each with chocolate and smooth it around with the back of the spoon, allowing some of it to drip over the sides. Then refrigerate and repeat for all of them. When the chocolate has hardened, flip them over and coat the other sides with the chocolate. You will need to remicrowave the chocolate to make it flow nice and silky again. 1 minute may be enough, but as long as you don't add any water inside of it, it won't seize up, so you can stir and microwave it a second or third time. This is fun. I like how the chocolate flows. It's like when you're flooding a cookie with royal icing. Now refrigerate all of them again after this final step before cutting them. You know, you can put them dried side down on parchment paper or metal baking sheets. That way you can fit more in the refrigerator and the metal makes them cool faster. And if this all seems like too much effort, I got you just a second. I got a shortcut for you, and no, it's not putting them in the freezer. Don't do that. I'll show you why. The marshmallows literally get freeze-dried and they crack. Okay, so take your s'mores out of the refrigerator and you're going to want to use the sharpest knife you have. Cut the graham crackers in half and you might be able to see the original perforated graham cracker line. Look at the inside of these, so delicious, and they're even good just like this, cut in half like a stick shape. But you want to cut them all in half to make the adorable little bite-sized mini s'mores. Okay, if you're into crafts, this is the fun part. Fill the cocktail cups with 8 mini s'mores each and slide them into the cellophane treat bags. Cut a piece of the ribbon at least 1 foot long and thread the end of it through the hole that you've punched in the tag. And you just want to tie in a regular bow without a knot so that the person will be able to just pull the ribbon to open. And how cute is that? My printer's ink was low, but when you print these out, the colors will be much more visible. Okay, so as I promised, if you want to make these just as fast as possible, especially if you just want to make them for munchies, just microwave the marshmallows on the graham crackers, smash the tops on, try not to get your fingers stuck to the hot marshmallows, smear the chocolate on, just letting it fall off into the cup of chocolate, and it'll be a thinner coat so it'll refrigerate faster. Coat the other side and refrigerate on the wire rack. Then after it's hardened, twist the rack to make them release and press from underneath to get them to pop off. You will see the wire rack marks on one side, but that's cute too. And now how easy was that? You gotta make this. Please give me a like and follow.